Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 8 trades I took, and today's date is February the 24th. Now, out of the 8 trades, I had one loser, as you can see on this pound yen. It's the only one that gave me a bit of a hard time, and when I took the trade, I actually thought I might have a little bit of difficulty with it. All the rest were looking very good for taking. Now I'm using my new fractal trigger system, which is based on a higher time frame. I bump it up to the 1 hour time frame, and I turn off the alarms and alerts, as I don't need them. So let's run a check on this first one, the pound yen. See where I got in at. Now I did take the trade originally because I saw the fractals, and from this point, actually right on this candle right here, the fractals were not quite in yet. I was going by these fractals, and I thought it was working its way down as I was looking at some of the indicators. And it, as you can see, it's still working. If I would have stayed in the trade a little bit longer, it would be a winner right now. But when I was looking at the totals down here, I know that this is over 100 pips, and my goal on a daily basis when I'm trading is I'm trying to get 100 pips or more. And when I saw that, I just said, the heck with it. I'm not going to worry about losing a couple of pips. So I just closed everything down. If you check the time, they're all pretty close to the same time. Let's see. Now, I also took these trades today. All the trades were today. Only one of them was after 7. This one happened to be 7:51, but all the other ones were between 6:30 and 7 o'clock a.m. New York time. So let's drag and drop this up, and oh yeah, already did that. So I sold it. It did go against me, and I wasn't too worried about it. Did go against me about 16 pips, and as I said, I just decided to close everything out as I had enough pips. And if I was still in the trade right now, I would be up almost 10 pips. So this would have also turned into a winner if I exercised just a little bit, an extra 15 to 20 minutes. All I had to do was hang tight. Had the right idea, as the trigger system, the fractal trigger, was suggesting to sell. So moving right along to the Pound Aussie. Here we go. Pound Aussie. Fractals from back here suggesting a down move. And then once I saw everything kicking in and looking good, and on the meter, everything was good. I wish I would have got in here, but I didn't see it till here. So when this candle closed, I just took the trade. Took the trade. Now it did go against, went against me 4 pips, and when I closed it out, as I said, when I was happy, I ended up with 7 pips, and 7 pips on the pound Aussie paid $474. So this trade canceled out that trade, kind of made it around break even. And another thing is that I would like to inform you that all trading systems will work less than 50% of the time. It took me 8 years and over 700 trading systems to learn that. Now, to get that up to 80 to 90% success rate, you will have to learn how to trade the flow of the market, which is what I teach. You will also have to learn trade management and money management. I have made trading the market simple and easy to do for all 3 sessions, including many ways to trade the markets. To be successful in trading, all you need is a lot of chart time and a lot of education. I provide the education. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will encourage me to do more of these videos. Also, if you leave your email address, I will put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, the next pair, Euro CAD. Drag and drop it up. So any time after 6 a.m. when I come in front of the computer, I got in, I didn't see this till later, to be honest with you. I noticed that the fractals were here. Everything was lined up perfect. Now I knew I was going to get some pips, but due to the fact I was so far away from the moving averages, I wasn't looking for 100 pips. And that's exactly what I did. I just grabbed a few pips, and there's nothing wrong with grabbing a few pips. At this point, where I closed the trade, and I'm glad I did, because look at it, went back up. Remember, trade management, very important. At this point, I got 8 pips and 8 pips on the Euro CAD, paid $636. And this is one of the main reasons why I do more than 1 or 2 trades. You have to get into trading this way, whereas I do always at least minimum 3 to 5 and sometimes up to 10 trades. As you can see, I did 8 trades today and only roughly, let's see where I closed it, around 2 hours of trading. Before 8:30, closed out the trades, got in around 6:30 or after. So 2 hours, bang, in, manage a trade, close the trade. Before 9 o'clock in the morning, I am done. I have all day to do as I please. But just to let you know that I'm very busy talking to traders. I talked to 4 traders yesterday, and I'm also doing training videos for my new trigger system coming out soon. So again, pip total on this one, I ended up with 8 pips, which produce $636. Moving right along to the pound dollar. Now we're starting to get into trades that are better than just scalping. Another, let's see, not quite a great way to trade. Hasn't quite lined up properly. Pretty close though. But when I saw that, I knew that it was going to give me pips with a potential chance for it to go back to the goal line, which is fine. I'm not too worried. What did go back against me around 20 pips, and I closed it out with a profit, looks like 14 pips, and 14 pips on the pound dollar paid $1,400. Okay, next pair, pound New Zealand. Let's run a check on that one. Here we go. This is definitely a good example of a great way to trade. Exactly the way I teach in the training videos, using all the indicators. I knew right away I was going to get some pips. Took the trade at this cursor right around the ADR. And just because it hits the ADR doesn't mean the party's over. It can still drop another 100 pips. But as a general rule of thumb, many times it'll start to die out. So just keep an eye on your trade. Trade management, very important. And I closed it out at this cursor, looks like with 21 pips. And 21 pips on the pound New Zealand paid $1,550. Next pair is the pound CAD. So let's run a check on that. Here we go. And when I took the trade at the cursor here, it was also a great way to trade. Comes with a very high success rate, for me at least 90%. So I took the trade. Now remember, at any point in time, price can always do a pullback up. But as long as you know the direction of the trend, you just let it do its cycle. Like in here, it could have easily gone up to here. Could have easily gone against me, close to 30 pips, but it didn't. The meter was suggesting if there's any kind of a pullback, it'll be very small, and it didn't even go 1 pip against me, exactly the way I like to trade. I wish I could trade like that on every trade, but that is not possible. So you just have to manage your trade. I closed it out at this cursor, looks like 25 pips, and 25 pips on the pound CAD paid $1,988. Moving on to the Euro New Zealand, let's run a check on that. Drag and drop this up. Again, the fractals are suggesting selling. It also qualifies for a great way to trade. Everything is lining up, and that's the only way and the best way to trade. When everything, all the indicators on the top and the bottom are suggesting to sell, you take the trade. And let's see, got in at this cursor. It was actually on the next candle. Things were suggesting to go down. Pull the trigger at this cursor, like I said, and I closed it out, looks like with 27 pips. And 27 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $1,992. Now to the very last trade, the pound Swiss. Let's take a look at that one. Drag and drop it up. Now this was not a great way to trade. I just call it the flow of the market. It's either going up or it's going down, or can be going sideways. Took the trade, sold it at this cursor, and I closed it out. Looks like with 20 pips, and 20 pips on the pound Swiss paid $2,315. This is the way that I trade, and you should learn how to trade, and it is the way that I teach within the training videos. So pip total today, I got over my 100 pip quota, and today's pip total was 119 pips, and those 119 pips paid $9,131. So if your system is not producing like my fractal trigger system on a daily basis, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, you just have to get in contact with me. All you have to do is look right below this video and you'll get that information. Now my fractal trigger system, I do charge $250 for. I teach how to trade the flow of the market, which is a must. You will always fail until you actually learn this. All successful traders in the world know how to trade market flow. Now my fractal trigger system has 4 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. It comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Now it comes with a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, which is what you're going to need. A lot of education to succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways that I teach to trade, as you can see here. That's why there's 42 training videos, and I threw in 9 bonus videos. The number one way that I look for every day, and I trade pretty much every day, is a great way to trade. You're looking at a good example of it right here on the right hand side. Now you can put this on pause as I'm running a little bit short on time, and read everything and all the different ways that I trade. If you have any questions at all, quite simple. All you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. And of course, if you live too far, just send me an email. There's an underscore right here. Now I do prefer Skype, made it simple and easy for you. Just click on this link right here and we will have Skype contact, and through Skype screen sharing I'll give you a free session and answer your questions. Now, over the years I've been building many trigger systems, and if you click on this link right here, you'll see 30 screenshots. So again, I'll repeat that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.